Hey guys, it's Nate from Winter. I'm here today to show you an install video on our Common Sense steel blade systems. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get into our installation. Before we go ahead and do that, I'd like you to hit that subscribe button and hit that like button so you can go ahead and get all the content that Winter Equipment has to offer you. Now before we install, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to deinstall. Part of the sizzle to the Common Sense system is how easy it is to go on. To show you how easy it is, the first thing we're going to show you is what a pain in the ass it is to take off this full-length steel blade. All right guys, we're going to go ahead now and install our Common Sense heavy-duty system. Just a reminder, that's 3/4 by 6 steel blades, 10-foot moldboard, that's 2 5-foot steel blades. We're going to go ahead and we got our PlowGuard curb runners and we got our Fisher plate. The order of operation, or at least how I do it, is simple. I'm going to hang the steel blades, I'm going to secure the fish plate, I'm going to put the PlowGuard curb runners on last. Now that's how I do it. Feel free in the comments below to tell me how to do your job, because I don't do this 9 to 5 Monday through Friday. Alright guys, there you have it. That's our installation video on a Common Sense heavy-duty system. Just to recap what we put on 2 3/4 by 6 5-foot long steel blades. 5 plus 5 equals 10 on this 10-foot moldboard. We got our cover plate there in the middle where the 2 blades abut to keep them strong and rigid. We've got our Winter Equipment PlowGuard curb runners on the end, and she's all set to go. To learn more about the Common Sense heavy-duty system and the rest of the products that Winter Equipment offers, check us out at winterequipment.com or give us a phone call today at 800-2WINTER.